Hello and welcome back to the second video series of LearnML. Okay, in the previous tutorial we learned about an introduction to Python for beginners, in which we did some printing and some math operations. But before that, we had to install Python in the system. Sorry for the delay. Okay, we're gonna go through this URL in a browser, and you can select the versions anyone. If you want to follow up my tutorial, I'll be using this version. So see, this one is for Linux, this one is for Mac, and these two are the install systems for Windows version. This is for 64-bit systems and this is for 30-bit systems. So you can check it out, the bit of the system, and select your new one and just save it and install it, and then you're good to go from there. Your Python installing system, and you get an IDLE integrated editor environment for Windows. Okay, but if you are using Linux, you have to get in the terminal, open up a terminal, and then you can search it, and just press Ctrl Alt and T. You will get a terminal popped up. So type in sudo apt-get install Python. So this command will install the default version 2.7.6 to follow up my tutorial in LearnML. So use your administrator password and you're good to go. Because I have previously installed Python, I'll get this message. But those of you that haven't installed this command, will install the Python 2.7.6 version in your system. So after the Python is installed, you will need an editor. So Python has a default editor, you have to install it. So IDLE is the name of the editor. So this one is also already installed in my system. So if you happen to get a prompt, do you want to continue? Y or N? You have to choose Y, yes, and only you'll get IDLE installed in your system. Okay. So after IDLE is installed, how can we access the IDLE? So just type IDLE from the terminal, press enter, you'll get the editor. Okay, so this is the interactive editor. Let's check from our last tutorial. See, it's very interactive and very easy. Okay, let's do some maths. Let's do 3 minus 1, 5 into 4, 20, 6 by 3, still. Okay, these are the basic maths. But if you want to raise an exponential number, or you want to find the power for a number, let's suppose 2 raised to the power of 3, how do we do? Is that 2 into 2? 2 3 times gives it. But that's very tedious. You have to type, suppose for 2 into 2 raised to the power of 6. So 4, 5, 6. You have to do it. So it takes a long time to type the times. So the better we have a exponential operator or power operator in the Python, and this is represented as double asterisk. So 2 is the number, base number, and this is the power operator, and now you give the power, so you will get it done quickly. Okay, these are the basic things. This completes. Okay, now there is another way of using Python in your Linux systems. You can obtain a editor, smart editor. This one is pycharm. you can obtain from this site jetbrains.com/pycharm. Okay, it's taking time to open. I'm sorry. So I hope you got the grasp of how to install Python in your system. Okay, it's too slow. You can do it a PyCharm Community Edition or a PyCharm Educational Edition. If you download PyCharm Education List, it has a bundle of beginners tutorials, so listed there. So I will recommend Educational Edition for you guys. You have to fill in whatever information you need is asking you, and hit submit, and you will be okay. So you can save the file. I won't, because I already have it. After saving, you can you'll find it in the downloads folder. Okay, see, downloads folder, find it there. Now how to install it? On the terminal, go to downloads folder, check the folders. It's your directory there, pycharm edu. Enter it. You'll see a list of folders. From there you'll enter bin, and from bin and find a pycharm.assets. Just run it using this command. And it will get opened. As I have already installed pycharm previously in the system, I needed had to give it some privileges. But those of you that haven't installed Python in your Python in the system previously, you have to give some accepted privileges to it. So you enter bin, then you'll find something like okay. So to pycharm.assets, you have to give sex. This one is making your file executable. Then after it has been completed, you will do pycharm.assets to run it. Okay. So I hope you're good to go from here. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to comment if you have any problems. Thank you.